Plane and helicopter crashes happen occasionally, but there are many precautions built into aircrafts that make them as safe as they are today. But with many fail-safes installed, things can still go wrong. As of May 2020, there have been 4 major aircraft crashes ranging in severity and publication. Viewers' discretion is advised. Number 1. January 26th, 9:47 a.m. Basketball legend Kobe Bryant and his daughter Gianna were among 9 people killed when their helicopter crashed into hilly terrain in Calabasas, California. The pilot had to obtain a special VFR clearance to transition through Burbank. Conditions were poor for visual flight rules, with heavy fog in the area. The debris field was between 500 and 600 feet. The helicopter was not carrying a pilot voice recorder or flight data recorder, nor was it required to ever do so. February 5th, 2020. Boeing 737-86J. Pegasus airline from Izmir to Istanbul, Turkey. While landing during high winds and heavy rain on runway 6, the plane suffered a runway excursion. The aircraft overran the runway, went down the embankment, and impacted the airport perimeter wall, breaking in 3. The aircraft came to rest about 20 meters below the runway elevation. The last recorded ground speed was 74 miles per hour as the aircraft crossed the perimeter stopway. 3 casualties were reported. March 29th, 2020. Lion Air Incorporated. From Manila to Tokyo. The air ambulance crashed on takeoff from runway 24 at Ninoy Aquino International Airport while conducting a medical evacuation flight. The plane was carrying 3 medical personnel, 3 flight crew, a patient and a companion, a senator, and the head of the Philippine Red Cross. 8 casualties were reported. May 22nd, 2020. Pakistan International Airlines from Lahore to Karachi, Pakistan. While landing, the aircraft scraped the runway 3 times. After the 3rd impact, the pilot took the plane into the air. During his attempt to land, the engine's oil tanks and fuel pumps were damaged. The plane managed to climb to 1,800 feet. The damage led to the loss of both engines. The crew declared a mayday. The aircraft then descended fast, almost plunging. The plane impacted a residential area called Model Colony, featuring concrete multi-story buildings 1.74 miles short of runway 24L.